Hi, I'm Phil, Technical Manager at Wynn's, and welcome to Wynn's Under the Hood. We have more than 80 years experience in additives and always evolving to meet the needs of new technology. In this series of videos, we're going to take a look at the 3 Wynn solutions for cleaning a DPF. The question is, what's your process for a block diesel particulate filter? So when a vehicle enters the workshop with a block DPF, how can we effectively clean it and restore vehicle operation? A block DPF is often the result of a contaminated combustion chamber, which affects the combustion efficiency and increases soot deposits. The reason is fouling of the induction system or contaminated injectors, causing incorrect spray pattern and fuel mixture. When a vehicle enters the workshop with a DPF issue, it's important to check the soot loading. Checking the soot loading will help you determine the right course of action and select the right cleaning solution. It's also vital that we check the oil and check the oil system for dilution. At any point when we're working with the DPF system, we must always clean the oil system with Wynn's Oil System Cleaner and change the oil and filter. The solution for soot loading above 70% is Wynn's DPF off-car cleaner. With the diesel particulate filter removed, support the DPF in an upright position with the inlet of the DPF blocked off. Once this is done, apply Wynn's DPF off-car cleaner to the diesel particulate filter in the reverse direction of the exhaust flow. Once the product is applied to the DPF, allow to soak for more than 90 minutes. After the product has been allowed to soak in the DPF, remove the bung and rinse the DPF with hot water. Once flushed clear, gently dry the DPF with an airline, then refit the DPF to the vehicle and carry out an extended road test. For more information, visit our website www.wyns.eu or download our Wynn's Expert app.